और ये स्टूडेंट्स ISI MSQE का पेपर सॉल्व कर रहे हैं 2024 वाला. So consider economy with aggregate income Y and aggregate price level P. Goods in the market में है. So YR is IR, where R is the interest rate and the money market clearing is this. Real balances भी दिए हुए हैं. तो slope of the aggregate demand curve demanded as a function of the aggregate price level Y on this axis of this economy. तो कैसे इसको हम लोग करेंगे. बहुत बढ़िया सा सम है, तो फटाफट करते हैं. चलिए इसको. तो to find the aggregate demand curve we need to express Y as a function of P. ठीक है. So Y as a function of P में हम लोग इसे तब्दील करेंगे. So M by P equal to L of Y comma R. So taking the total derivative of this thing, so it is minus M by P square dP equal to Ly dr Ly dy. ठीक है. So rearranging करने से dy dP आ जाएगा. dy dP is minus M by P square divided by Ly into 1 Lr by Ly into dr dP. ये आ गया. So the goods market clearing condition हम लोगों को पता है कि S of YR equal to IR. So taking the total derivative again, S of Y यहाँ से लेंगे dy equal to plus SR dr equal to IR dr. ठीक है. So rearranging and solving for dr dP we get it. dr dP is minus SY by SR into dy by dP. Substituting dr by dP into dy by dP क्या मिलेगा. So dy by dP equal to minus M by P square divided by Ly SR minus SY Lr by Ly. ठीक है. So therefore the slope of the aggregate demand curve आ गया ये minus M by P square Ly this thing. ये हो गया dy dr. So comparing with the given options we get that the closest option comes as C. Okay, so this expression represents the slope of the aggregate demand curve, and which depends on the derivatives of the savings and money demand function with respect to income and interest rate, okay, as well as the price level and money supply. So that's the end of